special Indian delegation for the first time has set out to be meeting global leaders, marking the first of its kind diplomatic offensive post Operation Sindoor. Hand-picked MPs from across party lines have now been sent to key nations to build international pressure on Pakistan and amplify India's fight against terror on the global stage. The outreach is already in motion. In fact, JDU's Sanjay Jha is leading one team in Japan, while Shiv Sena's Shrikant Shinde heads another team in UAE. In Abu Dhabi, Eknath Shinde, in fact, Shrikant Shinde and his team met Ahmed Mir Khoury of UAE's Federal National Council. They briefed him on the Operation Sindoor and India's counter-terror resolve. Here's what Shrikant Shinde told the media right after that.
ये जो हमले हुए पहलगाम पर, ये पहलगाम पर इनोसेंट लोग उसमें मारे गए और ये आए दिन हमें इन्हें ज़्यादा समझाना नहीं पड़ा कि किस प्रकार से हमले हुए। इतने सालों तक हमले जो है भारत पर होते आए हैं, मुंबई टेरर अटैक्स हो या पठानकोट अटैक हो, पुलवामा अटैक हो, उनको सारी खबर पहले से ही थे और एक स्ट्रेट मैसेज उन्होंने दिया है कि ऐसे टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को या टेररिस्टों को पनाह देने वाला देश, उनके साथ हम कदापि खड़े नहीं रह सकते। हम टेररिज्म के अगेंस्ट में हैं और हमें साथ में आकर, ये भी एक मैसेज उन्होंने दिया कि हमें साथ में, सभी देशों को साथ में आकर इस टेररिज्म से लड़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Now, Shrikant Shinde's team includes BJP's Manan Kumar Mishra, SS Ahluwalia, Atul Garg, Basuri Swaraj, BJD's Sasmit Patra, IUML's E.T. Muhammad Bashir and ex-diplomat Sujan R. Chenoy, and India's ambassador to UAE, Sanjay Sudhir. Meanwhile, in Tokyo, Sanjay Jha's delegation comprises BJP MPs Aparajita Sarangi, Brijlal, Pradhan Barua and Hemang Joshi, also Congress leader Salman Khurshid, TMC's Abhishek Banerjee, CPIM's John Brittas and former envoy Mohan Kumar. They are part of the Japan tour from May 22nd to 24th. That's next 2 days. They will be briefing officials there in Japan. Now in Tokyo, Foreign Minister Takeshi Iwaya has condemned the Pahalgam terror attack, assuring full support to India's zero tolerance to terror. The team also met with ex-Prime Minister Yoshide Suga, a top national security official, each echoing solidarity. In fact, they've all come on board with India's idea to stand against terror. MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal has made it quite clear today while speaking. Let's listen in.
The central idea behind this objective, this is a political mission. We want to make a strong outreach to the world to convey our resolve to fight terrorism. We want the world to come together to fight terrorism tooth and nail in all its forms and manifestations. We want to exhort the world to hold those responsible for cross-border terrorism accountable. Those have been practicing it for the last 40 years against India, that is Pakistan.
But while India courts allies abroad, dissent brewing back at home. Congress's Jairam Ramesh slamming the move, accusing the government of sending MPs to roam the world while terrorists even now are in court. They roam free, but MPs are touring the world. He demanded a special parliament session, direct answers from the Prime Minister himself.
हमारे सारे सांसद जापान, अमेरिका, अलग-अलग देशों में 30-32 देशों में घूम रहे हैं। आतंकवादियों को तो पकड़िए, गिरफ्तार कीजिए। वो तो आपकी प्राथमिकता वो है, प्राथमिकता सांसदों को भेजने की नहीं होनी चाहिए। यहाँ तो विशेष सत्र की मांग जो हम कर रहे हैं बार-बार, खरगे जी कर रहे हैं, राहुल जी कर रहे हैं, और लोगों भी नहीं कहा है, अलग इंडिया गठबंधन के पार्टियों ने भी मांग की है, उसका तो पूरा नजरअंदाज किया जा रहा है।
So while India sharpens its global message, questions now linger. Will this diplomatic blitz be matched by decisive ground action? Is justice for Pahalgam still waiting while India builds its case overseas? We're going to wait and watch.